video we are going to replace screen for Samsung J7 Next. Customer bring this device with the LCD. He bought it from the online and he bring the device to replace the screen for him. I'm going now to remove the back cover and the battery. Then I'm going to heat the screen. We need to heat the screen and remove it. No need to remove the screws from the other side. There is a flex cable of the home button and the menu and the recent key. When you are removing the screen, be careful not cut these flex cables. When you put the plastic tools inside, you should be careful where you put the plastic tools. We don't need to fix something and then to repair something else. We just need to replace the screen and that's it. Because the screen is broken, it doesn't matter the way you remove it. We need to remove this and then unplug the screen. It's important to do that. Now you can continue removing the left from the screen. Caution, the left of the screen is very dangerous to your hands. This is glass. When you remove it, the glass will be everywhere. So I advise to wear gloves for you. Now after I finished, I want to clean all over the frame from any tiny of glass or adhesive. It's important to remove it because we need to put the new screen on position without making any gap in between the screen and the frame. It should be in the straight in the same line and push down to the frame. I'm going to put the screen, but unfortunately the screen is different. The screen is the J7 2016, not J7 Next. Okay, the customer know that and he bring us the new screen after a month. It comes. Now before assemble, I'm going to test the screen and then I will make the full assemble. For now we are going just to put the screen on position. No need to put any adhesive. I just want to test it and that's all. After I test, then I can make the full assemble. It's important to do that like me. The battery is empty. I'm going to charge it a few little and then I'm going to test the screen. The customer forgot his password for now, so I asked him to come to enter the pattern. For now I'm going just to assemble the screen because it's his screen, not my screen. I told him the risk and he told me it's okay to proceed with the repair, to put the screen and assemble it. So I'm going now to remove the screen and assemble it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to detach the flex cable. There should be adhesive in beneath this flex cable and to the LCD. Careful when you remove this sticker, sometimes it's stuck with the screen material. You need to remove just the sticker. So I'm going to put the double face adhesive. Now I'm going to put the adhesive all over the frame. Just be careful near the camera and the sensor and the ear speaker, the flash and the home button, the recent key button and the back button. It's important because when you push the screen, the adhesive can leak to these pieces and making some problem. So it's important to put a less amount of adhesive near these pieces. Okay, we are now ready to put the screen in position. I forgot to remove something. I thought it's from the other side, this green sticker. I'm going to remove it now. Yeah, sometimes we didn't notice that. It happens. When I put the screen in position, I noticed that the frame is bent and this making a gap in between the screen and the frame. This is somehow dangerous, but I'm going to push the screen with adhesive from that edges. I don't like to do that, but the customer want to fix the device with lower cost. This was replacing screen of the J7 Next. If you have any other questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. Your subscribe matter. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.